you all to the Power of Purple Tarot, and I have missed you guys a lot, and there were certain family reasons that I couldn't be there on this YouTube channel for you people. So I tried to just made a little makeup on Instagram and trying to be regular there, but however I'll be try to be regular again on YouTube and help you with the reading. So I missed the October month reading for you people. It's a general reading for all zodiac signs, and it can be of love, finance, career, any message that comes across to me. So it's not any gender specific or zodiac specific. It's just for the month of November. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, and thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I've seen my subscribers being increasing. I'm so happy for that. I'm so grateful for that, to my source, to the universe, to all my people who have been watching and following me both in Instagram and on YouTube. So I'm very happy with that, and thank you so much. And please welcome to my family, and those who are watching for the first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and be there on Instagram, because on Instagram you will be getting a detailed message every day, almost every day. Okay, so let's get started for the month of November. So let's see what's there for the month of November. And those who are, again, I want to tell you that those that I have again started taking up the personal reading. So those who are interested can really start booking personal readings with me. Okay, sorry, this cards fell. It's not already shuffled, but still I'm shuffling. So what's the message for the month of November? What are the messages for the people? Spirits, what is happening in there? Okay, King of Cups, beautiful King of Cups. So basically it's a water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Although I told you that zodiac doesn't matter, however King of Cups came to me. I mean, lots of you will be in this King of Cups energy, where you will be feeling fulfilled. You're in a fulfilled, matured and emotionally and stable economical state also, and whatever offer you will be getting, I know you have been through many hardships. There had been this Mercury retrograde, and there's planetary changes, and there's a lot going on, and I have made my post on this regarding this on Instagram, that there had been a lot that lots of people are going through. But you know what, this is something that the source is preparing you for the bigger picture, and it's soon going to be seen in your life. But it will come gradually. For some it might come suddenly, right, just like that, but for some it might take some time. It may be a little late. So please have your patience, pray, meditate. So you will be much in the King of Cups energy. What I am getting as an energy for the people, as an energy, you will be much in the King of Cups energy. So I'm very happy to see the energy you will be in this month of November. Okay, so what else needs to be known? What are spirits you want to let us know? Okay, 2 cards want to pop out. Okay, quite a number of messages. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Sits mostly in some cases in finance. You need to keep on working hard. Believe in your intuition. Trust your intuition, intellect. For that, this is your energy, this King of Cups. But however, whatever will be there for you, it will suffice. But since this 10 of Pentacles is in reverse, it may not be a very picture perfect state or solution for you. But however, whatever the situation may be, you have to use your intellect, you have to use your logic, and you need to do a lot of shadow work for yourself. In fact, in my last I'm so sorry, I keep on referring to my Instagram. Actually, on Instagram I'm very I'm being very regular there. So there's a lot of shadow work needs to be done. That shadow work means that something we are a part of we are human being. We are born with everything, and we have with the good and with the bad, and there are certain parts which we deny in ourselves. So we need to accept that and work on that. What triggers us, what is being what is being addictive to us, so we need to get out of that. So we will talk about shadow work once. So you need to do a lot of shadow work. Till then, you need to understand that you need to believe your intuition in your intellect. Okay, I hope you can see the cards. And keep on doing your work. Three of Pentacles, you're doing fantastic. You keep on minting. Do your work. Don't stop doing your hard work. You're doing good. Maybe some people are gossiping about you, but just don't give it a, just don't give you know, just don't care about it. Keep on doing your work. So this is all about, for some you will be leaving some situation, that 8 of Cups. Yes, maybe you'll be, someone close to you will be leaving you. It might be like that. So it can be a situation for some, not for all. However, do not worry. Whatever the situation you will find in will be good for you. So keep on doing your hard work. I told you, use an intuition and intellect and your logic, and things will sort out. So yeah, there might be a little loss, I told you, but whatever the loss is there right now, you might feel that it's a great loss, but this loss is not a big loss. Basically, this is universe's way of, you know, just pushing you towards something bigger, better, and which is of your highest good. So universe is making you ready towards that end. So when you will look back one day and feel that that you have been crying for some situation, then you will realize there was no need to be sad and sorry. This was for your good. Sometimes things comes to us for lessons, for our karmic lessons, and these needs to be sorted out. This needs to be learned, so that, you know, we clear our level, we level up and live our best authentic lives. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, oops, I'm so sorry. Let's see. Let's see what's happening in the love life of people. Okay, 2 cards wanted to come up. The Sun and the Star. So for lots of you, the Sun, there's a childbirth. For lots of you, there is a childbirth already happened just now. I mean, not just now, I mean in this season only, or expecting a childbirth, and it will be a sunny disposition. But at the same time, I would like to say that enjoying the sun is good, but at the same time you have to be careful that in this enjoyment, do not forget to use your intellect. You know, do not forget to use, do not stop working on your pentacles, since you have this reverse in 10 of Pentacles. So keep on working. Enjoy your life, enjoy the romance, enjoy the moment, be in the moment, be in the festivities, be in the enjoy parties, everything, do everything. But at the same time, I mean, do not have to be like morose like this picture, but living a situation, or, you know, not being a part of a situation as right now, perhaps it's sad for you, but it's better for you in the future. Okay, the stars, so lots of you will be like shining like a star. There will be stardom in your life, or there will be some kind of recognition in your life. And for some, you are manifesting, and whatever you are manifesting will soon show its result. Whatever you are manifesting will soon show its result. So I was talking about love life. Yes, for love life, maybe you are manifesting some person of your dreams, so that person is going to come with that offer. And for some, there will be like recognition from the person, or maybe it's mostly this is recognition for your work or for your community service, the star, or maybe you will become a star. You know, you will become famous, and you will meet somebody in the way. So let's see more. what the spirit has to say. Okay, Six of Swords. So Six of Swords and the Seven of Pentacles. I told you that whatever situation you are in is not that bad. You know, it's not that bad. It's not. It may not be very good, but it's not that bad. So lots of you might, since I told you this Eight of Cups, lots of you are going back and you're gathering your stuff and going towards something. Maybe it's the time you're feeling sad at this moment, but however things will really work out, and the sun disposition, keep your sun in disposition, and the sun will shine soon on you. So keep on manifesting, keep on doing the good work, using your intellect and logic, and you will step into this King of Cup energy. You will be in this energy, so do not worry about it. And Seven of Pentacles is something that you are in a somewhat better situation, not in a worst, not in your best maybe. So somewhat better situation than others. If you compare, if you see that we have a lot which others don't have. So do not complain in life. Be grateful for whatever you have. So this is all from the tarot. Let's see from what the universe has us back, what the spirits wants to tell us. Let's see what the spirit wants to tell us. What messages the spirit wants to tell us. Let's take up the cards. Universe has my back. See, I told you, you will be in the energy of the King of Cups. Sun is there for you. The Star card is there for you. So universe is looking at you. Universe is preparing you for your highest good. So universe has your back, so nothing to worry about. Keep on using your intellect, your intuition, your logic, and you work hard on your pentacles, and keep doing your good work. If you have to move from a situation, move. Nothing is going to stop you from getting what you want. So universe has your back. You're not alone in this whole journey. You are being backed up by the universe. Nothing like that. When when the divine is beside you, you don't need to worry about that. Just trust in your source. Trust in whichever source you believe in, whatever your belief system is. So trust your source. True healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. So you need to heal yourself from the pain. I just told you this when we showed that Eight of Cups, this moving away from a situation or somebody leaving you, there's a lot of healing need to occur in your life. You need to heal yourself, and the best person to heal yourself is you, no one else. You can ask universe, you can ask your angels, you can ask your guides, you can ask as per your belief system. If you believe in certain source, so you just pray to them, meditate on that. And for the meditation, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to meditate in this way and that way. Just do it whatever way it suits you. True healing occurs when I give myself the permission to feel whatever feelings live below the trigger. So there are many triggers in our society, in our lives, in our situations, in our whole situation of this country, this world. There are many things that trigger us, that emotional trigger. Maybe you're doing something very nicely, and somebody is like poking you and telling you something very harsh and very, very wrong things about you, and that really makes you feel sad, and it breaks your heart, and you just react to it. But don't react to it, because if you go on reacting to it, you will be in the low vibe state, and that was really going to pull you down. That's your trigger point. Don't let people touch your trigger point. So then only you will heal from that situation, because you are already in a situation where there is healing needed. So do not worry about that. And one extra card we will take. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. So have fun. I told you this is the Sun card. Have fun. I told you, just don't overdo it. Overdo anything. Overdoing anything is bad. So I'm not telling you to don't enjoy. It's festivities time for lots of us, and this then we have Diwali in India, and then there is Christmas coming. So then this winter solstice, and there's a lot of fun things coming around. So let's enjoy this, let's have fun in this. So universe works fast when you align yourself with the positive set of mind. Yes, that I'm fine, I'm enjoying whatever I'm little things I have, I'm enjoying with the little things what I'm doing. Whatever food I had, I enjoy it, I relish it, and I have it. I show my gratitude to God. That's the way you should be putting forward your thoughts. Okay, so that's a message from the spirits, and some other messages from the spirits for you, for your well-being. Let's see. This is a card from the Priestess Moon. It's making magic. Love charm. Attract a lover, soulmate, or life partner. So I told you, you must be manifesting something. So maybe you are manifesting your life partner or your soulmate. So keep on manifesting and you will receive what you want. Okay, successful career, a happy working environment, pay rises and promotions. Wow. Sun again, the golden energy of the sun brings fame and fortune. I told you some of you will become stars. You will get a lot of recognition. See. So that's it for today, and I'll try to do separate recordings for the other zodiacs separately. But however, at this moment, all I could do is just a general reading for you people, so that you get a very sneak peek about how this the November is going to flow for you people. And so the next time I'll see and come with other messages and other readings and love readings too. I have requests for the same, and I have done one bigger card love reading for you guys on Instagram, so you can just check it till at this moment. Okay, so till then, have fun, enjoy yourself, so show gratitude, take care of yourself, meditate on solar plexus chakra, meditate on your crown chakra. Okay, thank you so much. Namaste. And if you want to do a personal reading, of course you can write to me at powerofpurpletarot@gmail.com. Thank you.